What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my organic homemade chili. My organic homemade chili. So I already washed my hands. I already washed the peppers. I'm going to cut the onion up and then rinse them off. So let's just jump into the video because I really don't want to make this video too long for you guys. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. And yeah, show y'all step by step. Let y'all cook with me. I'm cutting up peppers. I like to add sweet peppers in my chili. Little backstory. All my life, I dislike. I don't want to say hate, but I dislike chili. Why am I waving a knife? That's dangerous. I have literally disliked chili. And I tried chilies from Wendy's a couple times. My mom had me try some for the first time one time. And then ever since then, sometimes I would go to Wendy's and get their chili, but I wouldn't eat the meat. I would only want to eat the soup part. So then I was like, no, let me try to make my own chili. And now I absolutely love chili. Love it, love it, love it. So first I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting up my sweet peppers and my onions, and yeah. Before I cut up my onions, I'm gonna put on a glove. I don't like having that onion smell on my gloves at all. And I'm gonna use the whole onion. Woo! Okay, I'm all done cutting up my onions. I'm gonna go rinse them off real quick. Like I said, I already rinsed my peppers off, so now let me go rinse my onions off. I'll be right back. And then I'm gonna cut up some garlic. Push that to the side, and I'm going to start going ahead and cooking this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking my peppers, onions, and garlic together. I'm gonna turn the stove on medium. Add a little bit of coconut oil. I just feel like that's healthier than using vegetable oil and olive oil and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna kind of like saute this for about a good 3 to 5 minutes before I add my meat. While that's cooking over there, I also got some organic vegetable broth boiling right here. I got some organic lentils for my younger baby. Sometimes I make her lentils even though she's breastfed. Don't need no seasoning at all. She's just a baby. They don't need all that. The vegetable broth is good enough. We don't need no more extra sodium. So we're gonna let that cook, and then we're gonna hop back over here to our chili. Hey guys, this is sauteed a little bit. Now I'm gonna add in my meat. I have some organic ground beef right here. If I could find a picture, I'll show you guys in the video somewhere over here, maybe on the screen, of the type of organic ground beef I get. This came in a 4-pack or 5-pack. So the label kind of got ripped off, but I'll make sure I link that somewhere or have a picture for you guys. I add just a little bit of salt. This is the best salt, y'all. Best salt. A little bit of salt. Not that much. And I also add a little bit of black pepper, not a lot. Okay guys, I'm all done with that. My grease, olive oil have burned out a little bit, so now I'm gonna add in my kidney beans. I heard you can use whatever kind of beans you want, but I'm gonna use kidney beans. I have me some organic dark red kidney beans right here that I'm gonna use. And then I have some organic tomato paste, and then some organic crushed tomatoes. So this is what you're gonna need. I'm gonna turn the stove down on low now. And I'm gonna mix in my kidney beans and let them cook just a little bit. Now I'm gonna add in my organic crushed tomatoes and my tomato paste. Now I'm going to add in my seasoning. I got this organic chili seasoning. You can buy your own seasoning, do it how you want, but I like to use this seasoning. It's pretty good, so I'm just gonna add that into the pot. Let me just say, y'all, I'm not a professional. This is how I cook my chili. Don't come for me in the comments because I won't care anyways. And you don't have to use organic ingredients if you don't want to. If you're a family that don't want to spend extra money on organic or that is your business. This is just what my family eats and what I like to buy. So let's pour this into the pot. I got my little helper here who's gonna help me put the seasoning into the pot. She wanted to help me.
Chanel?
Yeah, she getting her hair taken out by her dad right now, so she can't really show her face. Okay, go ahead.
It smells so good.
Hey guys, this is the finish of the chili. I add some shredded cheese on there, Kobe Jack to be exact, some Mexican sour cream, which is the absolute best, and some crackers. This is the sour cream that I use. Oh my God, thank me later. The best. The baby got her green lentils. We're doing a family night, watching the new Trolls again. Hubby got his chili. My other little one got her chili.
It's delicious.
Guys, if you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel again. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. I'm gonna go sit down because I'm ready to eat this chili. And like I say in all my videos, I will see you guys in my next freaking video. Peace out.